Netflix isn't just coming for your Friday night binge sessions, it wants in on your game nights too. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your tech and gaming hub. At the Bloomberg Screen Time Conference in LA, Netflix co-CEO Gregory Peters officially announced the streamer's biggest move yet into TV-based party games. Starting this holiday season, Netflix will let you and your friends stream and play games just like a show. No console needed, just your TV and a phone. And these aren't just random titles. Netflix is launching Lego Party, which is normally a $40 game, completely free for subscribers, alongside new group hits like Boggle Party, Pictionary Game Night, Tetris Time Warp, featuring versions from 1984 to Game Boy era, and Party Crashers Fool Your Friends, where players deduce who among them is the hidden saboteur. And the coolest part? Your phone becomes the controller. Just scan a QR code and that's it. No extra hardware, no downloads, just pure chaos and fun with friends. This update could be because Netflix games had a rocky start last year, which saw canceled releases and the quiet removal of over 20 titles. Now, the company's doubling down on party games, kids titles, big-name franchises like GTA, and games tied to Netflix hits like Stranger Things. While the rollout starts small and only includes selected TVs like Roku, and in certain countries, Netflix promises global expansions on the way. It's a bold fight, but if it lands, Netflix could become the go-to spot, not just for movie marathons, but for multiplayer gaming as well. So this holiday season, don't just Netflix and chill, because now you can Netflix and play too. Are you ready to play these games with your buddies? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.